What up, YouTube? It's your boy Greg. I represent Chisel Edge. Welcome to my channel.
It's getting serious on this track, fam.
Alright, now that I got that prep, I'm gonna go ahead and prep my asparagus. Don't let everything go in at the same time.
So yeah, man, I've been in the fitness game for a long time, and I had some ups and downs. You know, I've been working out, lifting weights since I was 16. So I got like 15 years in the game as far as just working out and knowing workouts. You know, my grandma bought me my first weight bench, weight set, all of that when I was 16. So I was walking around the hood like Cock Diesel, but I still was kind of smaller, you know what I'm saying? Like, you just felt strong when you hit the weights. You know how it is. You know, you get the puff up and you start feeling a little strong. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, man, so throughout this channel, you know, I'm just gonna bring you all in, you know, raw and uncut, about how I eat, how I prep on off season, during competition season. You know, I did my first competition last year, men's physique. And so I'm gonna expose you to all of that, you know. I'm also gonna be vlogging a lot. I'm gonna be vlogging family outings, you know. I'm gonna be vlogging fitness, how I eat throughout the day. With this channel, you could just kind of click on it, like, oh man, you know, back day. All right, let me see what I need to do for back. Or, you know, I'm trying to lose some weight. All right, let me see what he eating. Let me see what I need to lose, or what kind of tips he got to lose weight, because I'm dropping it all, like raw and uncut, man, because I feel like it takes a while to get to that, you know. And if you know someone that knows how to do it, that's just giving it to you raw, then you can get there a little faster. You know, my body goals back in the day, I was up and down, you know. Nutrition became an important factor, you know, maybe about 5 years ago. And I realized that, you know, it's really more than just going in the gym and running 15 miles on the tread and hitting weights, and then, you know, I'm still not looking how I want to look, you know what I'm saying? So I really feel like nutrition is the biggest key, because if you apply that then with your training, you can get the body you want. If you want to lose weight, gain weight, you know, whatever you're trying to do, maintain, it's really about what you eat and what you put in your body. So yeah, I'm really just gonna expose everybody to that, you know, that way they don't have to be Googling everything. You can just Google this channel, your boy Greg Chisel Edge, and hopefully I can get you what you need, man. So we here, just sit back, enjoy. I'm gonna be posting workouts. You got any questions, comments, anything, you can hit me up on in the comments, or you can hit me up on my Instagram. That's GEE_money313. All right, enjoy.